How to get memories on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application. Now, memories option or memories feature on Facebook is actually new. So what you have to do first and foremost is to actually tap on your App Store or Play Store depending on what device you have there, and make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. That is because it is a newer version and you can only access its new features once it's updated. Now, if it's updated, you can now go back here to your Facebook, and on the bottom part, you will see 6 different options there. Now, what I want you to do next is to tap on your menu here. Basically, you will see all your shortcuts here, and here you will see your memories option. Tap on memories, and basically, if you just scroll all the way down, you will see all your memories on Facebook, your photos and highlights, your posts, or what's on your mind text there, or you ask questions. And basically, that is how you get memories on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.